Hi, this is Amanda Smith for the week 2 recording of how to support parents who might be concerned about vaccinating their kids, giving them the MMR vaccine due to the increased chance of creating autism in their child. And I've worked with kids in the past with kids with autism, quite a bit actually, and I think it's important for parents to understand that this is such like an old wives' tale, that the guy that actually did the initial study came out in the initial study that paired the cause of autism to the vaccine has actually come out and said it was all fabricated and it wasn't completely true. I think the biggest support in this is knowledge, though, especially as parents. We get so caught up in hearsay and the latest trends of diets and fashion and fads and parenting methodologies, and it's so easy to get caught up on that, especially when it has to do with our child's health, and especially if we're terrified of autism, and a lot of parents don't know what it is or how it affects you, or even just the things to look out for. So it's really easy to become susceptible to that. And like I said, I think the biggest way to defeat that or deflect that fear is through knowledge. And if you look online, it's so easy. If you just search MMR vaccine and autism, there's hundreds of websites that pop up. And some of the top ones are the Autism Speaks and the CDC and the American Academy of Pediatrics, which are some heavy hitters. And I would think that if you read an article from the CDC or one of those groups and organizations, it probably would help them to understand that it's not just, Jenny McCarthy said that it caused autism in her child, but that there's been research with hundreds of thousands of students and children, not students, but children and families that have indicated no link, not only to causing autism, but also like severity, on age of onset, or reoccurrence within families. So it's pretty much been debunked, and now it's our job as professionals as knowledgeable individuals in the community to go out and say, listen, don't listen to me, don't listen to your neighbor, don't listen to the lady who has a child with autism that attributes it to vaccination, but look it up, like have some knowledge, take some initiative, learn about it for yourself, and ensure that you're doing the proper thing for your child and for the community at large, because there's a lot of children or elderly that are otherwise compromised and can't receive the vaccine, and now you're putting them at risk, and the whole society becoming exposed to things like polio and things that have been eradicated and have no reason to resurface other than ignorance. So yeah, I think just lovingly supporting individuals and providing information or encouraging them to look it up if I actually think they will do it, because it's not an individual choice, and people think it is, but you're making a choice for those around you as well, especially those, like I said, that are immunocompromised or have other issues and they can't help themselves to be vaccinated against these diseases. So it's everyone else's responsibility to step up and know the real reason behind saying no, and definitely encouraging people to do so. So that's my thoughts on that. Thank you.